When people hear the term national security, they usually think of wars, armies, and missiles. But what if the greatest threat to a country's stability isn't an invading army, but a changing climate? This is what scholars call a non traditional security threat, a threat that endangers societies, economies, and governments without firing a single shot. Climate change is one of the most significant examples. Unlike conventional military threats, climate change crosses borders, affects multiple countries simultaneously, and cannot be solved by military force alone. Its impacts are already visible around the world. One example is Syria. Between 2006 and 2010, the country experienced one of the worst droughts in its recorded history. Crop failures and water shortages forced hundreds of thousands of rural residents to migrate into cities. While climate change did not directly cause the Syrian civil war, many researchers argue that the drought intensifies existing economic and social pressures that contributed to instability. Another example can be found in Bangladesh. Rising sea levels, coastal erosion, and increasingly severe cyclones threaten millions of people living in low lying coastal regions. As land becomes uninhabitable, large scale displacement could create humanitarian and economic challenges both within Bangladesh and across the South Asian region. Climate change also has major implications for water security. The rivers that sustain India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and much of Asia originate in the Himalayan and Tibetan region. Changes in glacier melt and rainfall patterns could affect water availability for hundreds of millions of people, increasing pressure on already stressed river systems. The consequences extend beyond food and water. Extreme heat waves can reduce labor productivity, floods can destroy infrastructure worth billions of dollars, and natural disasters can place enormous strain on government resources. In many cases, climate change acts as a threat multiplier, making existing political, economic, and social problems even worse. For this reason, the government increasingly views climate change not only as an environmental issue but as a national security concern. Military planners, policy makers, and international organizations now recognize that rising temperatures, resource scarcity, and climate induced displacement can undermine stability just as seriously as traditional security threats. The most dangerous threat to a nation is not always an enemy at the border. Sometimes it is a slow moving environmental crisis that threatens water, food, livelihoods, and stability itself.